Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing chapter knowing our numbers. So today our topic is estimate sum or difference. So students, these sums are based on rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers topic you have already done in grade 4 and 5. So in this topic, after rounding of numbers, we will add or subtract the numbers. Okay, I'm taking here example. Estimate each of the following. So first we will estimate, then add. Now see, both these numbers are in hundreds. Okay, both these numbers are in hundreds. So we will first round off these two numbers nearest to hundreds. Okay, for rounding off a number nearest to hundreds, what we do, if you remember, we always focus on tens place digit. We always focus on tens place digit. And first number, if you see on tens place, which digit is there? 3, and which is less than 5. So this number will be rounded down. So 730 will be written as 700. Now in this number on tens place, digit is 9, which is greater than 5, and if the number is greater than 5, then whole number is rounded up, means 9 will become 10 and last two digits 0. So 1000 means 1000. Okay, so after rounding off the numbers, we will add both these. 1000 plus 7 is 1700. Now student, in this question both the numbers have same place, means both the numbers are in hundreds, but the question is, if numbers are having different places. If you see, this number is in 10,000s and this number is in thousands, and we are adding. So what we do, we always decide that we will round off the numbers nearest to the smaller number. Now smaller number in thousands, so we will round off both these numbers nearest to thousands. From where we will decide it? From the smaller number. Okay, so for rounding off nearest to 1000, we will focus on hundreds place digit. Okay, digit on hundreds place. So here it is 9. So 9 is greater than 5. So this number will be rounded up. So 12 will become 13 and 1000, because we are rounding off nearest to 1000. So it will become 13,000. Okay, so next is 8. 8 is again bigger than 5, so this number, this digit will be rounded, or this whole number will be rounded up. Okay, so 2 will become 3000. So 13,000 plus 3000 is 16,000. Okay, so I am taking next example. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds, and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So first we will do this sum by rounding off nearest to 100, and then same sum we will add by rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay, it means one sum will have two parts. Now these numbers are given. Okay, so first we will round off these numbers nearest to 100. Okay, so for 100 we will focus on tens place digit. So this is 3 less than 5, so it will become 400. This is 3 less than 5, so this will become 300. This is 1, so it is less than 5 again, so it will become 4300. Now if you see, both these three numbers are in hundreds. Two zeros are there. Okay, so now we will add these three horizontally, so we will get 5000. Now next is same sum, we will round off nearest to tens. For tens we will focus on ones place. So it is 9, it is 4, and in this it is 7. Now 9 is bigger than 5, so this number will be rounded up, so it will become 440. This is less than 5, it will become 330. It is bigger than 5, so it will become 4320. So now we will add all these numbers horizontally, we will get 5090. But if we add these numbers actually without rounding of numbers, so we get 5090. If you see, both these answers are same. This is by chance. Okay, otherwise both these numbers, they can be different also. But you will see in other sums, this when you round off numbers nearest to tens, this answer will be more closer to this actual sum. Okay, so I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you, students.